Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install Jupyter Notebook in your Windows system. So the first question is why we need Jupyter Notebook. It is highly interactive, like you can execute your code cell by cell, you can test your code on the go, and also it is very easy to do data exploration, data visualization, and easy to install the external dependencies and many more. And it supports a lot of languages such as R programming, Scala, and Julia. So yeah, that's what it is very famous for data science project, data engineering projects also, because a lot of industries use Jupyter Notebook for data exploration. So it is a plus point if you know how to execute the code in Jupyter Notebook. That's what we are here today, to install the Jupyter Notebook in your Windows system and explore it. So this is the official website of Jupyter Notebook. So I'm here, and these are the commands. Pip is the command. Pip install is the command to execute install the external dependencies for Python. So we are going to take this command, just copy the command, whole command, and open your CMD in your Windows and just paste it. So it is automatically install the Jupyter Notebook in your operating system. So I'm just going to paste it now. So I have already installed. That's what it is showing me. The message requirements already satisfied. If you are not installed, so it is going to install from scratch. So wait for the installation, and then we'll execute the next command. So whether it is installed or not, we'll come to know in the next step. So Jupyter Notebook is the command. I just copied again from the same website. So here you paste it again. I'm just clearing the Windows buffer. So it is going to open localhost and the default port, like 48. So here you can see how it looks. Once it opens the window of Jupyter Notebook, I'm just going to create a Python, Jupyter Notebook file, but it is better to create a folder so that you have all the files in the single folder. You may not miss. That's what I have created the folder, and will give a name for this, like Python tutorials. It's better to give some name. So I'm just going to rename it as a Python tutorials. So just open that folder, and select new and create a Python notebook. Yeah, now these are the cells I can execute on the go. So I'm just printing hello world. Click on run, and you can see the output there itself. So it is highly interactive, and on the go you can just try your code and test your code, and you can execute it. You can add new cells, and you can delete the cells. You can just play around on this notebook. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.